You can't even see how quickly this is unbelievable. It's like we're on the seafront.
Crazy shit.
You can't see how deep it is.
Look at these cars trying to come through.
Yeah, it's not going to happen. We're filming it again. But this is, honestly, it's like the seas come up.
How little progress has been made to date. People will be able to develop.
You can't really see the tires. Oh fuck, here you go.
Breaking news! Island floods!
Jesus. Yeah. I can only imagine how deep it is down there. And yeah.
I cannot get over this. Okay,
Fucking
girls,
hell.
this is mental.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like this in my life. Look, we're surfing. Look, we're surfing.
Okay, girls, I've never driven through anything like this in my life before, just so you know.
There goes the car sinking. Oh, Jesus Christ. I would almost go up onto that. You know what I mean? This is...
If I took a chance and I blew a tire now.
Yeah.
Shit.
Well, I hope that your car's not going to fucking... Alright. This is manic. I can't even see what this bit. And we're out.